friends, welcome back to Punjabi Mum Cooks. I'm going to show you a very easy recipe. This is on special request. I have got 4 jalapenos and I'm taking 2 lemons. I have already nicely chopped the peppers, the jalapeno, and I'm just going to simply put them in. I'm going to put 1 spoon of salt. I'm going to put some lemon juice. I'm going to put some lemon inside. A few lemon, and then put the lemon juice again. And then put a little bit of salt. And then shake it. This is a very nice pickle. Have a look, and then put some more lemon inside. The important tip is over here, you have to use a glass jar and you have to keep shaking it. Keep shaking it. Don't use a plastic box. And this is good for storing the lemons as well inside. Here you go. Can you see, friends, this achar we call it in Hindi. This pickle I have already made and I have used some lemon. I'm going to remove it to show you. I've used some carrots and some jalapenos. Here you go. And some ginger. And I'm going to taste it. This pickle is very good for immune system. This is the lemon. It goes very well with some naan, roti, sabji. I eat it like this as well. I really like it. And suppose you get a lot of carrots, you can store it with some lemon. That's what I do. Now I can't mix the new pickle with the old pickle. This I'm going to keep it separate outside. After 1 week, you can put it in the fridge and store it. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.